Your dirty jobs just got done. Meet SPX200E, the ultra-lightweight, compact pressure washer from Sunjoe. Packed with 10 amps of pure cleaning power, this mini dynamo delivers a mighty blast, up to 1,350 pounds of pressure per square inch to demolish every last bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.45 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Simply twist the adjustable nozzle to go from intense jet to gentle spray. And watch Sunjoe make light work of dirt, grease, mildew, mud, oil, and so much more. And at under 10 pounds, SPX200E is the perfectly portable choice for quick cleaning projects like the porch, patio, deck, siding, windows, and walkways. And don't be fooled by its size. This little pressure washing powerhouse packs plenty of punch compared to a conventional model nearly twice its size. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Plus, you'll always clean smarter, not harder, with the SPX200E's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life when the trigger is not engaged. And every SPX200E is backed by a complete 2-year warranty. So, declare war on dirt, gunk, and grime, and go with Joe. The SPX200E 1350 PSI 10 amp electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.